Ang community caravan was conceptualized with the aim of not only bringing PCO sa grassroots, pero also bringing Bagong Pilipinas with it. Kasi we believe na ang youth kasi ang next generation natin of leaders. And since we're proposing na magkaroon tayo ulit ng nation building, big component of that is the youth. Na we're hoping na mag-galvanize sila, ma-inspire sila, na in their own way, magkaroon sila ng drive, motivation to be a part of the system, to be part of the nation building. That's why pinababa natin itong Bagong Pilipinas to where they are right now. That's why we're here in Lyceum. The bagong technology ngayon, social media is a big part of that. And we can see na ang big source ng misinformation, disinformation, fake news ay ang social media. That's why ang Media Information Literacy Campaign ay isa sa mga main projects na introduce namin under the PCO now, kasi yun ang isa sa mga talagang nagtutulot sa atin ng makalituhan, ng tragedy minsan, ng daming mga horror stories. And that's one of the things that we want to empower. And ang youth na naman, ang isa sa mga nakikita namin na dapat magsimulan itong movement na to in their own way, ma-detect nila ang fake news so that in the future hindi na tayo magkakaroon ng mga problema na ganito. This is just the start. So you expect us to be, we hope to be in every university in the country, in every school pa nga, sana, if time permits, pero we will bring this to every grassroots para at least makita nila how the PCO works, what is Bagong Pilipinas, and how to fight fake news.